Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will explain you about how you can disable or how you can enable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's move to the video. Like whenever you touch your keyboard or you type something, there is some sound or vibration. If you want to enable that or if you want to disable that, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about it. Let's watch the video.